We have also again a lot of young players here.
Timba dhula mar Harambee Stars kod tim nyiri ma hikgi ok oingo 18 ne yudo sir mar omenda kowuok e piny owacho ne chenro mag ikruok ne tukegi mag osiep to kod piem mamoko higani.
Jatend migawo mar tuke Ababuna Mwamba ne ochiwo sir mar $23 mopogi kind timbegi moyangi ni biro konyo chulo sara mag jotugo timo ikruok ne tuke ma Harambee Stars nigo e nyimgi ka osingo ni piny owacho biro bero weche mag tuke pachoka.
Full support, and so today we have offered 24 million Kenya shillings total, which includes money for the trip to Mauritius, where they're going to participate in a 4-nation tournament. It includes allowances for players. We want these allowances to be paid in advance before they go for the games in Mauritius. It also includes support to our under-18 starlets, our under-18 girls who are preparing for Sekafa. We have paid the allowances also in advance, and also made sure that their accommodation for camping is also settled. So really this is about early planning, just making sure the logistics are sorted in good time so that you don't have challenges like problems with accommodation, players complaining about allowances, flights, delay, and all that kind of stuff. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Na safari ya kesho lazima ipangwe leo. Yes.
Bad migawo mar obila